Your landing page is your MVP's front door, the first impression that determines whether visitors stay, explore, or leave. A well-designed landing page doesn't just look good, it drives action. It converts curious visitors into signups, customers, or beta testers. And for an MVP, that conversion is your lifeblood. It's how you validate demand and gather early feedback. Let's start with the purpose. The goal of your landing page is focus. Unlike a website with multiple pages, a landing page is built around a single objective: sign up, request access, or learn more. Every element on the page should guide the visitor toward that one action. The foundation of a high-converting landing page starts with clarity. Visitors should understand exactly what your product does within 5 seconds of arriving. Your headline is the hook. It needs to communicate the value of your MVP simply and powerfully. For example, instead of saying a new project management app, say plan your projects in half the time without the stress. Focus on the benefit, not the feature. Right below the headline, add a subheadline that provides context. This is where you can briefly explain what your product does or who it's for. Keep it short and actionable. For instance, designed for freelancers who want to stay organized and get paid faster. Next comes your call to actions, the heart of your landing page. This button or form should be visible, compelling, and easy to find. Avoid vague phrases like submit or learn more. Instead, use action-oriented language that reinforces value, such as join the beta, get early access, or start free. If possible, make your CTA visible above the fold so users can act immediately. Now, let's talk about visual hierarchy. Your page should guide the user's eyes naturally from headline to CTA. Use white space to create breathing room, contrasting colors to highlight important elements, and simple imagery that supports your message. Avoid clutter. Too much information can confuse and overwhelm. Your hero section, the top part of the page, should do most of the heavy lifting. It should contain your headline, subheadline, key visual, and CTA. The visual might be a product screenshot, short animation, or illustration that shows your product in action. Make it relatable. People should instantly grasp what problem you're solving. After your hero section, build trust. Social proof is one of the most powerful conversion drivers. Include testimonials, case studies, or recognizable logos of partners or clients. Even if your MVP is brand new, you can share early user feedback, waitlist numbers, or quotes from beta testers. These signals reassure visitors that others find value in your product. Next, explain your core benefits. Use simple, benefit-focused language and clear icons or visuals. Avoid long paragraphs. Break information into digestible chunks. Each section should reinforce how your product solves the visitor's problem or makes their life easier. If your product is still in development, transparency can work to your advantage. Use messaging like, launching soon, join the waitlist to get early access. Scarcity and exclusivity can motivate people to sign up. People love to feel like insiders. A common mistake is overloading your page with features. Remember, your MVP is about validation. Focus only on the key value proposition, the 1 or 2 problems you're solving right now. Too many features dilute your message. Let's talk design. A clean, minimalist layout usually converts best. Use a consistent color palette and readable typography. Your landing page should feel trustworthy and professional, but not over-designed. Avoid distractions like pop-ups or autoplay videos that interrupt the experience. For extra impact, add a secondary CTA near the bottom of the page. Some visitors will scroll before deciding. Reinforce your message and give them another chance to act. For example, be part of our first 100 users. Reserve your spot now. Now comes optimization. Once your page is live, track performance with tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Fathom. Monitor key metrics such as bounce rate, conversion rate, and time on page. Small tweaks like changing button colors or adjusting headline wording can significantly improve results. You can also run A/B tests. Create 2 versions of your landing page with small variations, like different CTAs or images, and see which performs better. Testing gives you data-driven confidence in your design decisions. Finally, drive traffic. Share your page on social platforms, startup communities, and relevant forums. Use targeted ads or email campaigns if you have a defined audience. The key is to attract the right visitors, the ones who genuinely need your product. In summary, a landing page that converts is built on clarity, trust, and focus. Lead with a strong headline, guide users toward a clear action, and back it up with social proof. Keep it simple, data-driven, and true to your MVP's mission. Remember, your landing page is more than a design. It's your first test of product-market fit. Every click, sign up, or bounce tells a story. Learn from it, iterate fast, and refine your message until your landing page doesn't just attract visitors, it turns them into believers.